Hey there, viewers. To ensure a good night's sleep, it's crucial to create a relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom. Many experts recommend adding plants to your space, as they help reduce indoor pollutants and can even make you feel more relaxed, according to some researchers. However, with so many plants to choose from, picking the right one can be challenging. That's why, in this video, I've curated a list of the best plants to keep in your bedroom. 1. Lady Palm Plant. Your bedroom is often at risk of being infested by microorganisms and harmful radicals, which can cause breathing problems or other health issues if they enter your body. This is where our first plant on the list can help. Lady Palm plants are among the most well-known natural air purifiers. They effectively cleanse the air of formaldehyde, ammonia, xylene, and toluene. Plus, they are low maintenance and don't require much care. Just ensure the soil in the pot doesn't become too dry, watering it once or twice a day should suffice. Apart from that, you won't face many issues with the Lady Palm. If you think that's great, you'll love the next one. 2. Spider Plant. If Spider-Man is your friendly neighborhood superhero, then the spider plant is like your friendly roommate. This is especially true if you have any form of dust allergy. Why? Because most experts believe spider plants can remove more than 90% of toxins from the air. Cleaner air means you'll have a lower chance of getting any type of infection. Unlike Lady Palm, though, spider plants need a bit more pampering. I recommend using well-drained soil in the pot and ensuring you don't overwater them. Spider plants prefer cooler temperatures, ideally between 13 to 18 degrees Celsius, 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. They also need to be repotted occasionally. Don't let that discourage you because they are worth it. Now, let's talk about another bedroom-friendly plant. 3. Lavender Plant. If you want your plant to give your bedroom an aesthetic touch, try lavender. However, growing a lavender plant in your bedroom requires dedication. The number one rule is to ensure it doesn't feel cold. Lavender plants dislike the cold as much as oil dislikes water. They thrive in warmth and sunlight, so placing your plant near a window is ideal for rapid growth. On the upside, lavender has a soothing scent that helps reduce depression, promotes sleep, and keeps your blood pressure in check. So, don't hesitate to put in the effort for this plant because the benefits are well worth it. 4. Rosemary Plant. You might be wondering, what is a culinary herb like rosemary doing on this list? Well, for starters, rosemary helps reduce anxiety thanks to its strong and heady scent. Compared to many other plants here, rosemary is relatively easy to grow. Just place it near a window and water it regularly. That's all it needs. These small herbs thrive in the summer, so you might need to give them a bit more attention during winter. The best part? Rosemary adds a peaceful aura to your bedroom, helping you stay relaxed and improving your sleep quality. Speaking of which, check out our video on herbs and spices that offer major health benefits. 5. Peace Lily Plant. Here's a plant that is quite popular as a bedroom addition, the peace lily. Renowned for its air-purifying abilities, the peace lily ensures you can sleep soundly without issues like wheezing or sniffling. Plus, it's incredibly easy to care for. Just provide regular watering and well-drained soil. Repotting it once a year, preferably in spring, will help it thrive by introducing fresh minerals from new soil. Beyond its practical benefits, the peace lily also enhances your bedroom's aesthetics, contributing to a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. After all, it's called the peace lily for a reason. Speaking of tranquility, here's another plant to consider. 6. Valerian Plant. Valerian plants have long been regarded as some of the best indoor plants, though they come with their own challenges. Valerian needs at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, which can be tricky for someone with a regular 9-to-5 job. However, this can be managed by placing the plant near a window or setting it outside in the morning to ensure it gets enough sunlight. The payoff is worth it. The sweet scent of valerian flowers has been proven to help you fall asleep faster, making it an effective weapon against insomnia. Additionally, Cats are also fond of the valerian flower scent, so if you have cats at home, they'll love it too. 7. Gerbera daisy plant. Are you seeking a beautiful plant that also purifies the air? Then Gerbera daisy is perfect for you. These plants can elevate your mood with their sweet scents during the day and are known for absorbing toxins and carbon dioxide from the air, making them great for people with sleep apnea and various allergies. However, Gerbera daisies are not the easiest to maintain. They need proper watering once a week, and the soil must be left to dry afterward. Additionally, they require a lot of sunlight. This plant may not be for everyone, but if you're up for the challenge, it's a great choice. 8. Aloe Vera plant. From one of the toughest plants to raise, we move to one of the easiest, aloe vera. Revered in many cultures and alternative medicines for its therapeutic qualities, aloe vera is also great for the skin. One often overlooked fact is that unlike most plants, which exhale oxygen during the day, aloe vera does so at night. This means having aloe vera in your bedroom can help you feel more relaxed while you sleep. Additionally, aloe vera improves air quality. It doesn't require much water or sunlight, just water it occasionally and repot it every year or two. While many plants need sunlight to survive, aloe vera can thrive without it, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Now, let's go over a few important points. Here are some key things to remember if you're planning to raise any of these plants. 1. Every plant is unique. Just like every living organism, each plant is unique. What works for a lavender plant may not necessarily work for rosemary. It's important to remain flexible and open-minded. However, certain fundamental practices should always be maintained: regular watering, adequate sunlight and airflow, and repotting annually. These basics are essential for successful plant growth. 2. Patience is very important. Raising a plant requires patience and dedication to ensure its health and well-being. It involves learning and fulfilling its specific needs. For instance, plants like valerian or Gerbera daisy require attentive care tailored to their individual requirements. This dedication is essential for their growth and thriving. Which of these plants would you choose for your bedroom? Do you have friends who keep plants in their bedrooms? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.